Did you encounter pink, red, green or blue vertical lines on your iPhone? If yes, then this video guide will help you with various ways on how to fix vertical lines on iPhone screen. So let's go ahead. Method 1. Restart your iPhone. First, you should try out a simple way to get rid of the issue. Restarting is one of the easiest and simplest ways to fix vertical lines on iPhone and any other glitches. So restart your device as per model. Method 2. Clean your phone screen. White vertical lines on iPhone screen can occur because of some dirt or water drops. Simply remove your phone's screen protector and clean it properly with a cloth. Now check if the vertical lines is fixed. Method 3. Use DFU Restore mode. First, connect your iPhone to your PC, then open iTunes. Then press the Power Plus Home button or Power Plus Volume Down button for 8 seconds. Now leave Power button but keep holding the Home/Volume Down button unless iTunes displays iTunes has detected an iPhone in recovery mode. At last, leave the buttons. Now restore the device in iTunes and then check for the error is fixed or not. Method 4. Restore iPhone to iTunes. First, open iTunes on your PC, connect your iPhone. When your phone appears on iTunes, choose it, and in the summary panel, select Restore. Now tap on Restore again to confirm. That's it. Method 5. Cycling the battery. Another solution that can help you is by cycling the iPhone battery. When you see multicolored lines on iPhone, this can help. You have to charge your phone to 100% and then allow it to drain totally to 0%. Method 6. Update your iOS software. First, open Settings, go to General and click on Software Update. Now, check if there is any update available. If yes, then click on Download and Install to confirm it. Method 7. Put iPhone screen properly. Vertical lines on iPhone screen can occur after it drops. This is because the LCD cable gets disconnected from the logic board. So you should push the screen firmly so the connection re-establishes again. Method 8. Restart your iPhone in safe mode. Press and hold the power button. When the power off option comes on the screen, press and hold it for a few seconds. Now, tap on Reboot to safe mode and choose OK to reboot the device. Method 9. Enable Reduce White Point. First, open Settings on your iPhone. Now, click on Accessibility. Then, look for Display and Text Size. Here, move down and enable Reduce White Point option. Method 10. Do factory reset your iPhone. First, go to Settings, click on General. Now choose Reset option. After that, click on Erase all content in Settings. When prompted, enter Apple ID details to log in. Finally, wait unless phone gets deleted. Method 11. Repair LCD display. If the error continues, then it's better to repair the LCD screen. It can happen due to physical damage to hardware issue. Consult the technicians of Apple as they can help you better or replace the screen. Method 12. Use professional iOS repair tool. If you want to fix vertical lines on iPhone screen easily, then the best solution is to use the iOS system repair tool. This is one of the most recommended solutions to fix iPhone error with one click. This is special software made for iPhone users to tackle all sorts of issues or errors on the iPhone/iPad. The tool works best in all iPhone models and latest iOS versions.